In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cross-post from List Perfectly to other platforms. If you have the simple plan, you're going to do this one by one. If you have the business or the pro plans, you'll be able to do the cross-posting in bulk. To do them one by one on a listing in your catalog, you click on the button to the left, that teal button with the 2 white arrows, and it brings up this screen. Then you can select whichever selling platform you are cross-posting to today and click copy. We'll do eBay. You see the new tab pop up over here, and it starts loading in all the information for an eBay listing. Then you would just go through the process of filling in the information that eBay requires in their item specifics and make it live. If you're going to cross-post in bulk, at the top on the left where it says start selecting next to that teal button with the 2 white arrows, you want to click that and then just click each listing that you want to cross-post. Depending on your computer and your internet service is how many you're going to be able to do at a time. Most of us will recommend 10 to 20 to get started, and you can move it up from there or do less if you need to. Once you've selected however many you want to select, at the top left, it now says stop. So click that button one more time, and it brings you up to this familiar screen. If you have more than one selling platform, you can do more than one platform at a time. You can just do all eBay and then just do all Mercari and then just do all Poshmark. Some users like to do one platform at a time because they feel it's quicker to go through one type of listing at a time, and that muscle memory makes them go quicker. Some folks like to select everywhere they list and just get all the tabs open at the top and work through them methodically. It's whatever works best for you. And then you push copy. And you're going to start seeing the tabs pop up over here on the top. You want to allow your computer to open all the tabs. Once they're open, you can go into each tab, create the listing, and make them live. And that's how easy it is to cross-post to other platforms from List Perfectly.